Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel, Shania Slays. This is your girl Shania, and I am so glad to be dropping a new YouTube video. It has been almost 3 years since I last dropped a video. I'm so excited for you to see this beautiful green and blue look inspired by my dress. Make sure that you subscribe, and let's go ahead and just jump straight into this look. So to start out with, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Granite. The pomade is so beautiful, it glides on so smooth, and it dries matte. Perfect for any skin tone. I went ahead and drew on that first eyebrow. Stay tuned to see how I draw on the second one. Next, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 10.5. I'm going to be using that to clean up my brows, as well as using it for a base for my eyeshadow. Now, the Makeup Revolution concealers are so great because they're so dense. They're a great dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape if you don't want to break your bank and want that same full coverage. And it's an awesome base for eyeshadow. Brush. This brush is awesome for blending all types of concealer, whether it's your face or for shadow. So I'm using the Morphe 35M palette for this whole entire look. I'm not changing palettes. I love doing one palette looks. It's simpler, it's easier, and it's much easier for you guys to recreate. And if you ever do recreate, please make sure to tag me. My Instagram is Shania Slays and my Snapchat is Shania. I always do live tutorials on my Facebook channel if you guys are ever interested in seeing me do a full face live. My Facebook page is Shania Slays. Shout out to all my hooded eye sisters. I have bad hooded eyes, so this is going to be the tutorial for you, sis. We can get them same bomb cut creases just like the rest of them, okay? So for my outer lid, I went ahead and placed a neutral color. Again, this is all from the Morphe 35M palette. I carved out with a dark green a little bit above my hood. That's what you have to do. Go above your hood if you have hooded eyes. And in my outer lid right now, I'm placing a dark shimmery green. I'm gonna place like a yellowy gold in the center, and on the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna be placing a white shimmer shade. So off camera, I went ahead and applied my eyeliner from Essence. You can get that from Walmart, Target, Ulta, all those good places. The black eyeliner and my mink lashes. Aren't these so cute? Girl, I love me a fluffy, wispy lash. Now, I went ahead and prepped my skin with Milk of Magnesia. Yes, I know. Milk of Magnesia is a medicine, but it's also really good if you're an oily girl and want to control that. So I went ahead and prepped with that. I put on my foundation, which is from NYX. It's the Total Control Drops in the shade Cappuccino. Right now, I'm just applying my concealer. The concealer I'm using is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive, and I'm just blending that out with that same e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. That brush is so bomb and only $3. I always get that from Walmart. So right now I'm just setting. I let it bake for a little bit, but not too long. I don't want to be white, but I do like a nice under eye. I'm gonna go ahead and dust that away later, but I'm applying my contour. The contour that I'm using is from Black Radiance. A lot of people use this. It's so good. I'm in the medium to dark, and I'm just using that contour shade now to carve out my nose. So right now I'm using the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using that blue shade Cleopatra underneath the eye. I'm popping a little bit of highlight in my inner corners, or a lot of it of highlight. I really like a booming, bright inner corner. It just really makes your eyes open up more. So I put some black in my waterline. That was a black kohl pencil from Wet n Wild. I do a lot of great drugstore dupes. You can do a lot of great looks with cheaper drugstore products. That makes it look like a high-end product, but it's not. I'm just blending all of that out, and I am going to be applying a little bit of highlighter before I spray my face. My face is really dry right now, but I always just apply all of my powder products because I'm an oily girl, and then spray my face at the end and just let everything blend and melt together. So the blush and the highlighter that I used was from the same palette, the Juvia's Place Saharan Volume 2 blush palette. Dope palette. Definitely got to pick that up if you have not already tried it. You need that in your life, sis. Go get that. It's only $20, and a little bit goes a long way, as you can see. I'm just going ahead and popping that highlighter into my brown bone as well, giving that that bright under eye, or excuse me, bright brow look. And now I'm about to spray my face. I'm using the Mario Badescu spray to spray my face. Girl, it is quarantine right now, but if it was not quarantine, I was gonna snatch somebody's dad up, you know. Somebody's dad was about to be taken. Somebody's son, somebody was about to get taken that day, okay? I was looking too good. I know we have all had those moments where we got done with our makeup and we're like, do you know who I am? Do you not see this beat? Do you not see this outfit, okay? Look at the bun. I know we all had them moments, girl. All right, I'm just lining my lips with the Wet n Wild Simmer Brown pencil. I love that pencil. My go-to for sure. I'm putting a nude in the center of my lips, and then I'm just gonna apply some clear gloss on top. You know, that same $1 beauty supply lip gloss that we have been using for years. That's my go-to. We'll never leave it. All right, y'all, and that's just that on that, okay? Y'all see this look? Y'all see that blend? The highlights, the eyeshadow, everything is giving me life, the edges. I'm so glad you guys got this look. Please, if you recreate, make sure to tag me. I'll make sure to have all my social medias and the products in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one.